Boys, now we're going to move to question 32, which is improving performance. Question 32a part 1 is outline how technology has been used to improve performance, worth 3 questions. So we're looking at technology, the use of technology. So we need training innovations and we need equipment advances, and there's some examples here given after it. So I was looking for just one of each of these. So if you spoke about lactate threshold testing and you spoke about swimsuits, to me that was enough for a 3 to 3. But you definitely needed to include training innovation and equipment advances. Both need to be in there for the 3 marks with one example for each. We'll view our sample. Again, it's nice to see some underlining. So we've got training innovations, lactate threshold testing and biomechanical analysis. So he's included both. Then he's gone through and said about what lactate threshold testing is with given an example. So this student, and it's a reason why it's a sample, because it's very, very good, but he's gone beyond what was required. Again, so he's covered the both training innovations, lactate threshold testing and biomechanical analysis. He's gone through and spoke about lactate threshold testing first, given an example about the sample of blood run to test. Then he goes through and talks about biomechanical analysis and gives an example of that relating to the baseball coaches use it to break down the technique of a batter or a pitcher. Again, showing how technology can be used to improve performance. Then he says there's also been equipment advances in sport. These include the Speedo LZR swimsuit, and he also has the Callaway golf ball. So again, he's covered both. Doesn't technically need to. I was happy just for one, but he's included both. His underlining's very well. His terminology is good. His understanding's of a good detail as well. So that's why it's there. So it's the equipment advances. It's the training innovations. There's the 2 parts of the syllabus. You've got more than enough examples for each, swimsuit and the golf ball, that show how technology can be improving performance. And that's what he spoke about. My concerns were students were unable to include both areas of the syllabus. So some would write about just training innovations and leave out equipment advances. But you needed both. And, you know, I was looking to see the syllabus headings. You can't just launch straight in and talk about biomechanical analysis. Training innovation, such as lactate threshold testing. Equipment advances, such as the Callaway golf ball or the Speedo LZR swimsuit. They're the way, or the terminology and the wording that was required in this response. And again, you need to show how it could improve performance, not just saying what it is. You know, what does biomechanical analysis? When he talks about the baseballer studying someone's form, it can help improve his technique, which can lead to an improved performance. That's what this question was after.